Now we're going to go through the CT7 traction splint, which is the upgraded version of the CT6. So it's got some benefits over the CT6. It's a much simpler design, so it's easier to put on and also much faster. It's also got an upgraded carbon rod to it, making it much stronger as well. Now to apply the traction splint, we're going to use the same principles as last time. We're going to expose the limb and so we can assess the injury. So we've got our mid-shaft femur fracture on this leg. We're then also going to assess our distal baselines. So getting the traction splint out, first of all we want to use the ankle hitch. This is going to go on first. So going on the injured side, we've got this belt buckle here which we want to take note of. That needs to go on the outside of the limb and needs to be pointing down. After we've done that, we can get out the traction splint itself. Similar to last time where it has the rods which we need to snap together. And as you can see with this one, it's much simpler. We've got less straps, making it much easier to use. So the two ends, we've got the ankle hitch end, so this end's going to attach to the ankle. This end is going up at the pelvis, so the ischial strap. So once we've got it measured out beside the patient's leg, we're going to attach the belt buckle to the ankle strap. From here I can attach the ischial strap, which is going around the patient's upper thigh. Going to clip that in and make sure that that's nice and tight. Once that's on, we can attach our supporting straps. We're going to put one below the knee and then one above the knee. So making sure the strap above the knee is not over the injured site, so I'm just going to put it just below. So once that's applied, now we can start doing traction. So with this one, it's much easier. All we've got is a small nut at this end, which we just need to turn like that. We can see the arrows, where we start turning that, it's going to slowly apply the traction. And so the benefit with this is we can apply the traction slowly, reducing the risk of injury to the leg, but then also we can easily take some traction off if we want to and adjust it as needed. So we're going to keep applying traction until we've got the leg being the same length as the uninjured leg, or we've got adequate pain relief, or that swelling in the thighs reduced massively. That's how we're using the CT7 traction splints. As you can see, it's a much simpler design, it's easier to apply, allowing us to reduce that fracture much quicker.